Hi everyone, we are going to start our Math Olympiad lesson, and today our topic will be about number summations. Or in specifically, we are looking at the sum of consecutive numbers. Okay, let us start by trying the following questions here. And if you see, here we are looking for 1 plus 3 plus 5. This should be very easy. You can get the answer, which is 9. Okay, and then you have 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Not so difficult. 24 is the answer. Okay, now as the number gets longer, it will be more difficult to find the answers. 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 should give you 45. And then you have 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21, 23, 25. It will take some time to actually calculate this, but if you do it accurately, you should get 120. Now, is there a shortcut to do this? Yes, actually there is a shortcut. So if you want to add 1 plus 3 plus 5, there are 3 numbers and the middle number is 3. So 3 times 3, it's 9. Okay, the next one, 3, 5, 7, 9. There are 4 numbers and the middle one is 6. So 4 times 6, 24. Next one, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. There are 5 numbers and 9 is the middle. So 5 times 9, you have 45. Lastly, 6 numbers and the middle is 20. Okay, so 6 times 20, 120. So as you see, this can be applied to solve additions where the number are consecutively added, or there is a same difference between each of the numbers. Okay, so what about the next questions? Okay, you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way to 99. Now this is a long list of numbers and hence it is not possible anymore to find where is the middle. So how are we going to do this? Okay, here we are going to apply something called a number pairing methods. So if you notice, if we add 1 and 99, the first and the last number, you actually get 100. Okay, if you add 2 and 98, you also get 100. If you add 3 and 97, you also get 100. So in a sense, you will have a lot of 100 added together. How many of them are there? So suppose there are 99 numbers. And when you pair the first and the last, the second and the second last, you get 100. So you have 99 times 100 and then divide by 2. Why do we need to divide by 2? Because we are pairing them. So the total number that we have is half. 99 times 100 divided by 2, that will give you 4950 as the final answer. Okay, let us put this into a step-by-step process. Let's look at another questions. 1 plus 3 plus 5 all the way to 99. Basically, we are adding all the odd numbers from 1 to 99. Okay, we are going to break this down into 3 steps. The first one is to find the number of terms. Second one is to find the sum of a pair, and then the final step is to get the final answer. Okay, let's look at it one by one. Finding the number of terms. From 1 to 99, there are how many numbers altogether? First of all, we know that from 1 to 99, the difference is 98. Okay, and then if you see the increase, it is adding 2. So how many times do we need to add 2 in order for me to add 98 altogether? Obviously, we can use divisions. 98 divided by 2, and then we have to plus 1. Okay, we have to plus 1. So together you have 50 numbers. So that's the first step. Let's go to the second step. Now, second step is actually the easier steps. The sum of a pair. Now, the sum of a pair means when we pair the first and the last number, what is the answer that we get? So in this case, 1 plus 99 will give you 100. Okay, and finally, we will look at the final steps where you combine the step 1 and step 2 answers together. We have 50 numbers. We have the sum of a pair, which is 100. So in total, we have to divide by 2 again because there are 50 numbers, which means we have 25 pairs. So 50 times 100 divided by 2, giving you 2,500 as the final answer. Okay, so to summarize all the 3 steps together, the first step is to find the number of terms. So this is 98. The difference here is 2. The first step will be 98 over 2 plus 1, giving you 50 numbers. There are 50 numbers altogether. Step number 2 is you pair the first and the last number together, which gives you 100. And then step number 3 is combine these two together and then divide by 2 because we are finding the number of terms. So we'll get 2,500 as the final answer. Okay, hope this will be useful for those who are doing additions, and thank you for your attention.